Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this self-love art therapy session with Healing Hearts Haven. Today we're going to create an abstract watercolor piece focused on transmuting harsh self-perceptions into a space of grace, patience, and gentle accountability. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, this process isn't about perfection. It's about presence. Let your brush be your voice today. Let this paper hold whatever needs releasing, and welcome in a new energy of love and understanding. Let's start by choosing a piece of paper plate or other tag board that you can trace some hearts onto that will be used for your shape making as we get into the project. You can also choose some colors that feel like self-love to you. Take a moment, breathe. Ask yourself, what colors soothe me? What colors feel warm, gentle, or empowering? What does love look like in my life? It might be soft pastels, or maybe bold jewel tones that make you feel alive. There's no wrong answer. Choose anywhere between 3 to 10 colors and place them nearby. As you begin to brush them onto the paper, allow the colors to move freely. Wet your paper if you'd like a softer blend, or keep it dry for more defined movement. With each stroke, try whispering or thinking a phrase, like I am allowed to show up imperfectly. My softness is not weakness. I am learning to love the parts of me that are hardest to hold. Let yourself feel into those words. Now, once your background is dry or still slightly wet, depending on your aesthetic, begin layering in abstract or simple heart shapes. Let them be fluid, some open, some full, some off the edges. As you paint these hearts, reflect on this. Are there parts of myself I withhold love from? What would it look like to let those parts be held today? Maybe one heart is for your inner child. Another for the version of you going through something tough. Each heart is a pocket of space where you're allowed to be seen and safe. You don't have to know exactly what each heart means. Just let them form. Let the process tell the story. Once your hearts have dried, grab a black pen or fine liner and begin to trace over shapes. Lines, hearts, borders, splashes, even unintentional lines in the paper. Now we'll doodle into both the negative and positive spaces. This symbolizes the parts of ourselves that are seen and unseen, loved and neglected, clear and confusing. As you draw, reflect on what are some harsh things I say to myself when I'm struggling? What do I wish I could hear instead? Use your doodling as a way of reclaiming space, line by line. You might write repetitive affirmations within the spaces that you see. Let your art be both a release and a rewriting. Let it hold your messy, your beautiful, your becoming. Try to notice where your hands want to go. Do they draw spirals, stars, words, butterflies? Trust the intuitive impulse here. And if a harsh thought arises, gently acknowledge it and layer over it with something new. Not to erase it, remember, but to hold it in something bigger, more compassionate. Pause here and take a step back and breathe in your work. Look at the shapes, the colors, the details. Ask yourself, how do I feel about what I created? What parts surprised me? What does this piece reflect about how I see myself and how I want to feel? You may go through the rest of the art piece and add detailing with a white paint pen or metallic colors for depth and interest. This is where transformation happens, not through perfect brushstrokes, but through new awareness and a shift in self-talk. You are not just the art. You are the artist, the creator, the curator of your internal world. As we wrap up here, I give you some affirmations you can say to yourself while you look at your art. I am enough as I am and worthy of the love I give so freely to others. I honor the pain I've felt and allow grace to guide my healing. I forgive the moments I've been unkind to myself. I am safe to take up space and safe to grow at my own pace. Let this artwork be a mirror, a reminder, a celebration of who you are, flaws and all. And remember, self-love isn't about avoiding accountability. It's about meeting ourselves with compassion while taking responsibility. It's showing up for ourselves like we would for someone we truly adore. If you enjoyed this session, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mindful art prompts and healing tools. You can also find similar prompts as this in our Self-Discovery Series workbook. Or join us for one-on-one coaching sessions where we even go deeper into reclaiming your voice, processing trauma, and transforming inner narratives. Check the description below for links to my favorite art supplies used in today's video. And if you loved this, tag us on Instagram at healingheartshaven.sd. I'd love to see your creations. Until next time, be gentle with yourself. You're doing sacred work.